Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today you can see 3-hat solar security light. Oh yeah, awesome unboxing video that it will be. Solar lights outdoor. Super bright 182 LED motion sensor. Solar lights with wide lightening area because of the 3 adjustable spots. It is a triple dual hat, 1000 lumen, 3 control dials, waterproof, and it's for wall assembly. You have an ultra bright feeling. 1000 lumens. This is really much. High power, 182 LED. Built in this device. It's for a garage sensor, security, fluid, solar lights. It saves you money and energy with a solar charged light system. The heads are adjustable. That means you can move upward, downward, and horizontally for maximum lightning coverage. The 3 lamps heads allow for maximum lighting coverage. Illuminates downwards, horizontally, or upwards, as you like. You have a solar light in an upgraded power. There are built-in batteries. These batteries will get the energy out of the solar panel, and this is enough for a long time. I think if you have 6 hours or 8 hours ultra bright solar power production, then you can have the 3-hat solar security light all over the night by using the sensor, because it's not every time on. There is a sensor in front of it, and if you're walking through, then the solar security light will switch to on. It is made of high conversion FNT polycrystalline silicon solar cells, tempered glass, EVA transparent TPT backsheet, and aluminium alloy frame. It is optimized. The light source converted to electrical current and stored in the batteries. You can use it anywhere as you like. It is specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, all weather resistant, and provide additional safety and security for your home. It can be automatically detect any moving object near your house. For example, either for outdoor use, for wall, patio, garden, porch, lawn, pathway, gutter, everything you like, to get some light in it. It has a smart motion sensor on board. The solar light has daylight and motion sensor that automatically turn off during the daytime, and the light will automatically turn on at the night when motion is detected. Built-in PIA motion sensor of the solar light. It has a long range of distance and a wide angle for motion detection. That is easy to install and easy to use. You do not need main power or wiring. No electric AC adapter is necessary. It is an easy to install solar panel. It can be fixed on any exterior wall constructed of all types of material, including metal, wood, or plastic, because it's not so heavy, so you can use it easily on a plastic wall, on a metal wall, etc. It is really easy. You only have to drill, I think, if you have concrete wall, you have to drill, I think, 4 until 6 plugs or 6 holes, and then plug it on the wall. Only at the woods installation, you will only need 2 for the solar panels and 2 for the main object. And you have 15 feet wire, so that means it is enough space to install this solar panel on a different location as the light system. It means if you have the light system in a dark side of your house, you can use the 15 feet wire for approximately to get the solar panel in front of the sun, of course. Oh yeah. Large detection range, wide sensor, frost resistant, sensor mode at the night, all weather ready, save power by the day, and it is heat resistant, and you can use this one switch with 3 options. The right option is on in sensor mode, the middle direction is off, and the left direction is for all time on. Then on the sensor you have adjustable knobs, 3 of them. You have adjustable sensitivity to the sense small or large moving objects. Then you have the time knob. This is the adjust time, how long lights stay on, from 5 seconds to a couple of minutes. And you have the Lux, L-U-X, Lumen, adjust the light level, when the light will go on. And it's easy to install, easy to use, and it is you have no energy cost. You do not have to pay a bill for the energy, but you have light in your garden. Good and easy. So I like it really much. You see how to install it and how to easy use it. 1000 lumen, 3 control dials, waterproof solar wall lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.